Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating topic of how artificial intelligence will revolutionize the world as we know it. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has rapidly advanced in recent years and is poised to make a significant impact on various aspects of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, education to finance, and even the way we work, AI is transforming the world in remarkable ways. Join us as we explore the potential of AI and its implications for the future. Let's get started. AI in healthcare. One area where AI is already demonstrating immense potential is healthcare. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, ranging from patient records to genetic information, to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and recommending personalized treatment plans. With AI's ability to detect patterns and anomalies, it can contribute to early disease detection, potentially saving countless lives. AI-powered devices, such as wearable sensors, can also help individuals monitor their health in real time, leading to proactive and preventive healthcare practices. AI in transportation. The transportation industry is another sector that is experiencing a remarkable transformation due to AI. Self-driving cars, powered by AI algorithms, are being developed by companies like Tesla and Waymo. These vehicles have the potential to improve road safety by minimizing human errors, reducing traffic congestion, and increasing overall transportation efficiency. Imagine a future where commuting becomes a relaxing and productive experience, as AI takes over the responsibilities of driving. AI in education. Education is also on the cusp of a major revolution with the integration of AI. Intelligent tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to the individual needs and pace of each student. By leveraging AI algorithms, educational platforms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify knowledge gaps and tailor instructional content accordingly. AI-powered virtual assistants can also assist teachers with administrative tasks, freeing up their time to focus on providing quality education. The accessibility and effectiveness of education are set to improve significantly with AI's involvement. AI in finance. The finance industry is undergoing a significant transformation thanks to AI. Advanced algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data to detect fraudulent activities, predict market trends, and optimize investment portfolios. This can lead to more efficient financial systems, improved risk management, and increased profitability for businesses and individuals alike. AI-powered chatbots are also being employed in customer service, providing quick and accurate responses to inquiries, enhancing the overall user experience. AI in the workplace. AI is reshaping the modern workplace and the nature of work itself. While there are concerns about job displacement, AI can also augment human capabilities and create new opportunities. Repetitive and mundane tasks can be automated, allowing humans to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. AI can enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and contribute to a more dynamic and innovative work environment. Additionally, AI-powered tools and platforms enable remote collaboration and foster global connectivity, transforming the way we work on a global scale. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we must address the ethical considerations surrounding its development and use. Issues such as bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the potential for misuse need to be carefully considered. Striking a balance between technological progress and ethical responsibility is crucial to ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. Initiatives and regulations are being developed to address these concerns, emphasizing transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI systems. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is set to change the world in profound and exciting ways. From healthcare advancements that save lives to transportation innovations that enhance efficiency, AI's impact will be far-reaching. In education, finance, and the workplace, AI will augment our capabilities and open doors to new possibilities. As we embrace this technology, it is crucial to prioritize ethical practices and ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and inclusive manner. By doing so, we can create a future where AI enhances our lives, promotes collective well-being, and paves the way for a more advanced and equitable society. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of the potential of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.